There, guys. Now, can you guys see the easiest way for you not to zoom all the way out, not knowing where the market is going, identify too many key levels in the market, and confusing yourself? Now we're gonna go on gold, and I'm gonna show you guys what happens with gold. Now with gold, the price is slightly different. You don't need to go all the way out to identify the trend from bigger time frame and blah 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 and stuff like that. Identify the key level that the price is at. Can we now with gold is obviously digits of 10. Okay, so can we identify it's digits of 10 and digits of the half, obviously. You guys know about it, right? So if price is moving at 17,081, that means price is trading between what key level and what key level, guys?
Is price, sorry?
If price is trading by 1781, that means we're trading between what key level and what key level?
81, is it 170 and 1?
Okay, here's the easiest way for you to find. Right? 1,100 rand, 1,200 rand, 1,300 rand, 1,400 rand, 1,500 rand, 1,600 rand, 1,700 rand, 1,800 rand. That's how gold moves. But it's dollars, obviously. It's worth $1,700, $1,800, for example. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So in this case, I already gave you guys a hint. You're looking at two key levels. Which key levels are they?
So,
Should I
is
make
it one?
Okay, let's break it down for you guys.
1816.
It's what?
1816.
It's 18 and 17. Price is by 1,781 rand. You obviously look at 1,007 and 1,008.
Yeah.
Simple as that. If price was here, I would look at 1,007 and 1,006. Like I said, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Do you guys understand?
Oh, I see now. Yeah.
Do you guys see now how you
Yeah.
Yes, that's how you break it down. So price stopped at 1,800, which is a main key level for gold. And obviously 1,700 is far. So if I want to look at the closer key level, which key level will I look at?
17,026.
No, the mid level is 1,750, because between 1,800 and 1,700 is just 100 digits. So in the middle it's 50. 1,750. Do I explain it in a way that's understandable, guys?
Yeah.
Two key levels.
The
Identify the two key levels price is trading in between. Step number 1. Step number 2, look at the mid level. Step number 3, take the trend line. Step number 4, find yourself a trade. Simple as that. Do you guys understand?
Yeah, just identify two, but we will take trend and find them.
Okay, so in this case, what type of a trend is gold moving in?
Uptrend.
Uptrend. I wouldn't look at that trend because it's exhausted. It doesn't work anymore. So I'm looking at that uptrend. I will take my eclipse, identify where price bounced off. Now, after I do this, I can look at where price stopped it, because I wouldn't just ignore it. The last time price stopped here, which we can see, fair enough. Last time price stopped over there. Fair enough. Now we can look deeper and try to understand what is the price doing now. Price is bouncing off 1,800, going back to the test 1,750. Do we all agree on that?
Yes.
In the smaller time frame, some of the guys actually were able to catch a trade. Because why? Small trend line from there going to the upside.
Broke trend line.
Broke trend line.
Came to retest.
It broke below this key area here. The first candle that gave you bearish momentum, what is it? This one, right?
Yeah.
Take a sell. Stop loss above previous high. Tighter stop loss. Take profit. Partial profit. You take it over here because that's where price stopped. So you take half profit. Or you can just close your stop loss at break even. The major take profit is us retesting that key level.
Yeah.
When price bounces off 1,750, we'd look to see what price does. If price gets to this point, in the smaller time frame, form a bullish engulfing, we're buying the price back to this key level. If it breaks it, we're buying the price all the way to 1,850. Because that's the closer key level. Now, we would take partial profit when the market get here because the market stopped around that area. So we would take partial profit and leave the rest of the profit to run. That's my trading strategy. Is it complicated? Is it complicated, guys?
Yeah, but we need to learn, you know.
You need to go back and see what is the price doing. In this case, look how complicated this chart would look. Looks quite complicated, right, guys?
Yes.
Because you don't know. Should you take a trend line from here and do that? Or should you just take it all the way from here and do that? No, I'm a day trader. I focus on what the market is doing now.
Yeah.
First thing to do when you go on a price chart, identify the price that where the price is at currently. Where's the price, guys?
The price is at
1600.
Yeah.
So that means we're trading between what and what?
1,600.
Wait, come again, quick. The price is at 1.16. That means we're trading between what and what?
1,600. So we're trading between.
Okay, let's go. Let's start. Let's do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 16 is between what and what?
15 and 20.
Simple. 15 and 20. That's where we're expecting price to stop if it keeps on dropping. 20 is very far. It's all the way here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now, for us to get closer, we're going to check the half of this too, which is
121 is 170.
170,500.
Yeah.
That's where the last time price stopped. The last time price stopped as well. You see, now I can check anyone. So now I check price stop there and price stopped at the bottom.